Welcome to Sabre Quick Tips. Today's lesson covers the basic of hotel availability. To book a hotel, you must display hotel availability or hotel shop, HOT. You must know the city, the check-in and check-out dates, as well as the number of adults. In any hotel availability request, you can add optional qualifiers. You can shop for a hotel using an itinerary segment number or by city and dates. For example, if you shop for a hotel by segment number, the system picks up the information from the itinerary segment in the PNR. The hotel availability display assumes the arrival date of the air segment as the hotel check-in date. In this example, the system assumes October 23rd as the check-in date and Paris as the arrival city. You also need to add the checkout date and the number of adults in the hotel availability format. Use the following format: HOT, the segment number, in this case 1, / checkout date, which is November 1st, followed by the number of adults, in this case 2. You can also request availability by including the number of nights instead of the checkout date using the following format: HOT, the segment number, / and the number of nights, in our example 7, and T, which means 7 nights, and the number of adults. To shop for a hotel using the city and dates, enter the following format: HOT, PAR, which is the city code for Paris, / October 23rd for the check-in date, - November 1st for the checkout date, 2 for the number of adults. Let's take our example to a Sabre screen. HOT, the city, / the check-in date, - the checkout date, and the number of adults. Line number 9 explains that the Hotel Park Hyatt Paris Vendôme is located 1 mile northwest from Paris Airport. This hotel has high-speed internet and dinner service. The rooms range from $1,075 to $1,418. You can request a hotel for a particular geographical location within the United States and worldwide. In this example, I want to check for hotels in the state of Florida near Disney World. Type HOT, the state code, FL, - the reference point, Disney World, / the check-in date, - the checkout date, and the number of adults. You can request a hotel by a geographical location outside the United States. To check hotels in Paris near the Eiffel Tower, type HOTC / the country code, - the reference point, / the check-in date, - the checkout date, and the number of adults. To refine your hotel search, there are many qualifiers you can add after a / at the end of your basic format: the hotel chain, an address, the bedding type, to name a few. You can append different qualifiers and separate them with a /. Click on the question mark at the end of the format example for more detailed information. Once you have checked all the options, click Continue. To encode a hotel chain name, use the following format. To display the list of bedding types, enter DU display /HTL /types. There are many qualifier codes for amenities or special qualities to satisfy customers' preferences, such as high-speed internet, access to gym facilities, pool, etc. Note that you can add a maximum of 3 codes and separate them by a comma. This is an example of a hotel availability entry using optional qualifiers. After the initial HOT format, add a / and the optional qualifiers. HY for the chain code, SQ- and the amenities, fitness club and pool. For more help on this topic, check out some of our other training and support references. You can access quick references, personal trainer tutorials, and virtual classes from the agency services website under the training menu. Thank you for your time. This concludes the lesson on hotel availability basics. Basics by Sabre Quick Tip.